The DJI Action 3 is going to be officially announced in just a few days. We're learning more about the features and specs as the release date approaches. Is the Action 3 going to be worth our hard-earned cash, or maybe is the GoPro Hero 11 a better option? Let's cover what we know so far. A feature confirmed straight from DJI is that the Action 3 will have an improved battery life. It'll last 160 minutes. The Action 2 battery lasted 70 minutes, but that could be extended to 160 with the front touch module and 180 with the power module. The GoPro Hero 10's battery lasts 120 minutes. I don't know if there's any improvements planned for the battery life in the Hero 11 once that's announced. I'm going to keep you up to date on all the action camera news, reviews, and how-tos. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. DJI has confirmed that the Action 3 will be waterproof up to 16 meters. The Action 2 and Hero 10 are waterproof up to 10 meters. The official Action 3 images haven't been released, but leaked photos show that's going to be the same body design as the Osmo Action. And the accuracy of this leak seems to be supported by DJI social media posts. You can see here that you have an outline of a dark image. It's the same shape as the Osmo Action. And also on their most recent social media posts, they're calling it the Osmo Action Series. So how much is the Action 3 going to cost us? The most recent leak claims it's going to be priced very competitively at $329 for the basic edition, but that price hasn't been confirmed by DJI. Let me know in the comments which feature is most important to you when deciding on your action camera purchase. The waterproof depth, the battery life, or the price. The price of the Hero 11 Black hasn't been released, but based on prior models, we can expect it to be possibly anywhere from $500 to $550 without the subscription. We don't know enough about all the features of the Hero 11 and the Action 3 to do a real value comparison, but $329 is a great price. DJI and GoPro aren't the only companies making quality action cameras. To learn more about the Insta360 X3, check out this video.